Chances are you know someone who's owned a Honda Civic, or maybe you've even owned one yourself because it's one of the best-selling cars in the world. Today we're celebrating 50 years of the legendary Civic in 50 seconds, starting now. The Civic made its debut in 1972 as a 73 model with 50 horsepower. And in 1975, the CVCC engine debuted on the Civic, making it the perfect solution for car shoppers looking for a fuel-efficient and fun car. In the 80s, the second generation lineup grew with a four-door sedan, and this generation also introduced a sportier Civic S trim which hinted at a Civic Si to come. The Si badge finally came to the US with this very stylish 86 Civic CRX Si. In 87, we also met the first Honda four-wheel drive in the US with this Civic wagon right here. As the Civic gained popularity with Americans, Honda started producing it in the US in 86. The 90s were all about the sportier side of the Civic. We met the first ever Civic Coupe in 93, VTEC engines became popular, and in 97, the Civic Type R was born. Jumping into the new millennium, the Civic focused on a sustainable footprint with the first ever Civic Hybrid. The 9th generation Civic introduced innovative features like Bluetooth and a standard rear view camera. And the 11th generation is the most advanced Civic yet, and there's more to come. Here's to the Civic for 50 years of being the car for cities and citizens everywhere.